55 millilitres, so it says. Which from my recollection from school days is about the same volume as a bottle of Tipex. So not a great deal. So this is brand new tool, bought this week. It matches the larger one that we've had for a while. Again, battery tools seem to be the way ahead. Does away with having to stop for fuel. So there's now a his and hers, so I've got mine job.
Oh.
inside of you. There's a hidden hope, you just gotta pull it through. But how you gonna know if you never do?
Off you go and timber and all that. This is a pine of some sort. I'm not too sure what. And those leaves. Okay, I can see it moving as well. See that then in the branches with leaves on? Just gave a little wriggle. There we go, big crack then. Right, we both need to be back. Goes. Lovely.
a hidden hope, you just gotta pull it through. But how you gonna know? How you gonna know? How you gonna know if you never do?
So this is an exciting day for us. It's the first day we actually get to put some effort in and start working down at the farm. And the first job we got to do is get some access, because the trees are still blown across the lane. And we need to start moving on getting the road surface sorted out and getting somewhere to park our camper van. So we've come down with some favourite tools of ours, which is Makita gear, and all the batteries we use are charged with solar panels, and also we've got car chargers that charge the Makita batteries while we drive, so it's all sustainable. So I've cut all the lower branches off and all the bracken off the bottom of it, and there were two trees there actually. There was a small ash underneath it holding it up, so I cut that. Trees that have blown over and are not still stood upright are quite dangerous to take down. So I've managed to take it down by taking the weight off it from underneath and then not cutting all the way through the main trunk so it's still attached, and then cutting as much of it away a piece at a time, and then cutting the middle section out of it. Do you know what species tree it is? Because we know it's a pine, but we don't really know what type of pine tree it is.
So much lighter in here now. I love the way you've opened it up. Let the light in.
Professional pollarding. That's what I think they call this, isn't it?
Something like that.
Heavy duty pruning?
Yes, a little bit of heavy duty pruning, I do believe. And we put these chairs in for some outdoor seating because they were just lovely and rustic.
So we just pitch a tent here and that'll be done.
Awesome, awesome. Well,
malarkey, don't we?
Yeah.
Just go and look at it like you
Yeah.
want Tintin Abbey, or
Yeah, because that's nice.
Roof off and just knock a couple of bits
Oh, no, but sure, the weather's done that.
on the other bit.
Oh. We really enjoyed ourselves today, clearing that tree. Well, those trees, because there were two of them. And it was great to just really make a start on bringing our ideas and our dreams to life. We hope that you enjoyed what we had to share and would like you to make some comments if you would like to do that. And obviously do the usual YouTube thing of liking and subscribing. Until next time.